Hello, in this video I'll be walking you through how to interact with the learning resources on the NetAcad page. We have several sections here. The first section is Introduction to Cybersecurity. The second section is Chapter 1, The Need for Cybersecurity. Third section is Chapter 2, Attacks, Concepts and Techniques. The other sections are Chapter 3, Protecting Your Data and Privacy, Chapter 4, Protecting the Organization, Chapter 5, Will Your Future Be in Cybersecurity, Course Completion, Final Exam, Certificate of Completion, and Prepare for Your Future. To access the resources on this course page, it's as easy as taking your mouse or scrolling to any of the resources you want to interact with and clicking on them. I'll be opening these in the new tab so we can see its content. Here we are being welcomed to the course, and a couple of information is being displayed here as well. Once you're done, you can go back and view the student resources page. There are also a lot of information here. Once you're done going through them, you can go back to the course page. Now, let's see how to access the main study material for this course. Now, they are all divided into chapters. So to launch Chapter 1, which is the need for cybersecurity, you scroll or take your mouse over Launch Chapter 1 and you click on it. By the time you do that, you will be presented with this page. Then, to navigate through all the resources that we have here, you click or you tap on Next. You can tap or click on this and your text area will be expanded. To return it back to how it was, you click on that 3 dots that you have here. The same applies for this. Once you want to go through the material or the text, you expand. Once you're done, go to the next page. This is how you'll go through the content of Chapter 1. You also have the option to disable the images such that you only see the text. To do that, you just tap on this transcript. It gives a description of the image without showing the image itself and allows you to go through the text alone. So with that selected, you will not see any picture loading up. You'll only see the text and you can interact with the text going forward. If you want to keep seeing the images and you want your browser to keep loading the images, you can click on transcript again and the images will be displayed. To close this chapter, you can scroll and take your mouse up here and click on close. Closing this helps you see every other chapter within this course. So what does this mean? It means you do not necessarily have to go back to the course page before you'll be able to go through Chapter 2. So from this page, you can go to Chapter 2, 3, 4, and finally Chapter 5. You also have the option to select your background. To do that, you select your background and it automatically changes to exactly what you have chosen. To view the course index, you can also click here and you see everything available within the chapters in this course. You can also check through the lab index. Each of the labs will be displayed on this page. You can also click on the video index to see all the videos available in this course. Once you're done, you close. To search for a certain parameter within the course, click on search. Once you're done, hit enter and it will show you a result of whatever it is that you have typed on the search bar. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can click or tap on it to view the resource. Once you're done, you close and you can navigate to any other part of the course from here. To change your preferred language, you can click this. And to view this in any other language, you can see a list of all the languages that are available for this course. If you need any other assistance navigating your way around this material, click on help. After going through chapter 1, you can choose to take the quizzes under chapter 1. We have 2 quizzes here. We have chapter 1 ethics quiz and we have chapter 1 quiz. Don't worry about the dates that are here. This means that you have to complete this quiz before 1st of July 2022. So it means it is available right now. To take the quiz, it's as easy as clicking or tapping on it and you see this option here saying attempt quiz now. You can read through the instructions, then go ahead to take the quiz. Another activity present on the course page is this terms and concept practice. So let's see how to navigate this activity. This activity is a very interesting activity that allows you to choose how you want to interact with it. If you look at the bottom right corner of this activity, you will see something here asking you to choose a study mode. When you open it, you have the match, learn, test, flashcards, and spell. On default, you are presented with the flashcard mode of going through this activity. For the flashcards, we have ongoing efforts to protect network systems connected to the internet and to protect all the data from unauthorized use or harm is a definition of something. So to find out what it is, click on the flashcard or tap on the flashcard and you see the term that was defined on the first page of the card. Once you're done, you go to the next page. This is a definition of something. To find out what it is, you tap on the card and it displays what it is. To change your mode of study, you can come over to this point and then you can select match and then you have this presented to you. So here you select and drag the terms into whatever you feel is the best answer for them. Cybersecurity here will go well with this, and you can see that because I'm correct, it has disappeared. You can do the same to clear everything on this page. Now let's check out Learn. To start Learn, click on Start Learn. Once I click on it, it tells me I'm correct and I'm presented with another question. Now let's check out Test. Test is almost the same thing as Learn, but this time you will not get a feedback until you have answered all the questions, and then you can check the ones you got right and the ones that you may need to read up on. Then we have Spell.
IoT.
You type in what you hear. A large network of physical objects, including sensors and equipment, is IoT, Internet of Things.
Cyber warfare. CYBERWARFARE. Cyber warfare.
This is the same method you would use in attempting the other terms and concept practice available on this course.